Hi folks, today we're going to look at an easy technique to organize movies. I'm pretty sure that many of us would have a huge collection in an external hard disk or in a local hard drive. So I'm going to tell you how you can organize those huge collections based on genre or rating. You can also add other useful info like the director name, year of release, certification details, etc. So I'm going to use a freeware or open source software to do this. So let's get started without wasting any more time. So what we have here is a folder by the name movies demo, and it contains few movies which is not organized. Some of the movies are inside a folder which has a totally different set of movies underneath. As you can see, this whole folder is messed up and the folder information is pretty much irrelevant. So now we are only going to take the movie files irrespective of the folder names in which it resides and move them to a different folder before we can organize it. To do this, I'm gonna use the Windows search functionality to get all the movies inside the folder movies demo. I'm gonna search for the dot star in search box of the folder movies demo. Now you can see that all the contents of the folder are being searched for. We don't want everything, we just need the movie files. To get the movie files alone, I'm gonna use the filter to filter out files which are bigger than 128 MB. Only the movie files would be big enough to survive this filter result. Others like the PNG or the JPG or the folder or the subtitle or the sample movie file would not be considered for the search. Now we have the movie files we are after filtering out the result. Now I'm going to cut and paste this in a new folder by the name test folder. Now that we have taken only the movies from the unsorted movie database collection folder and have moved it to the test folder wherein we are going to sort it and add details to it. I'm going to use an open source software by the name FileBot. I'll leave a link to download in the description below. Let's drag and drop the movies into the FileBot. Let's edit the format by clicking on Match and selecting Edit Format. I'm going to copy and paste the format which I've been using. I'll leave this in the description for you guys to use or edit it. Let's click on Use Format. Now that we have configured the formatting, let's click on Match button again and select the movie DB. This will fetch details about the movie from the movie database service. Once done, let's click on Rename and the FileBot renames the files. Let's head back to the test folder. All your movies are renamed with much more details as provided in